we're gonna be stepping up our look with 3 additional items. First, we're just gonna go ahead and get this blush. This is the OFRA Madison Miller blush. Sweet Stuff is the name of it. And I'm just gonna take this R&L Moda poofy brush. Looks like this. There's several different ways you can do your blush. I'm just gonna take it on the apples of my cheeks like so. Gonna smile and find those apples of my cheeks. And that's the first step to how I do my makeup. I actually do a combination of blush looks. So then I just like to take it over the nose, doing it kind of like an anime character and whatnot. And then on top of that, you can come from back here and get that side blush if you like. And so, yeah. It's like taking it right above your contour line, but also right underneath your highlighter. And then I lightly fluff it all in, make a W. That's just personally how I like my blush. You can also just do apples of the cheeks, the apples and cheeks over the nose, tip nose, or just the side blush. Next, I'm gonna take this liquid eyeliner pen from Aurora in the color Espresso. This is in, I always just do a few swatches just to make sure it's all juiced up. So for me, since I have the almond shaped eyes, I kind of just take my wing and go straight out, if you see that. And I start from, like, if I look straight ahead, I start from the beginning of my pupil or my iris. And so I never go that close in if I'm just doing a soft little touch-up look. And a quick little trick when you're doing eyeliner is I like to just do it in little strokes and then run into my eyelashes. I typically do this before mascara, but I'm just showing you how to touch up a look with a couple more products of makeup. So I actually messed up a little bit, but that's okay because it's really easy to fix. I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and just touch it up. So yeah, that's the makeup look. And then next I'm just going to show you how to add some brown lip liner to your lips. So that's just how I would do that. And this lip liner is by J.cat Beauty, and it's called Roll It Up Auto Lip Liner. The RAL 110 shade it's in. So yeah, that's how I stepped up my makeup look today. Yeah, hope you enjoyed.